Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm breaking down something that's exploding right now, Instant Commissions 2026. If you've been searching for a way to generate fast, reliable money in 2026, then Instant Commissions 2026 is definitely something you need to see. So what exactly is Instant Commissions 2026? It's a brand new system that pays you $200 instant commissions every single time you tap the ATM inside the platform. Yes, literally tap and get paid instantly. No waiting days for payouts, no complicated requirements. With Instant Commissions 2026, the money hits your account right away. This is why so many people are jumping on Instant Commissions 2026 right now. It's one of the fastest and simplest ways to start making money daily in 2026. A lot of make money methods promise big but deliver slow or nothing at all. But Instant Commissions 2026 is actually delivering fast payouts, and that's why it's gaining so much attention. If you want real instant commissions in 2026, this might be the easiest method available right now. Here's the exciting part. Because it just launched, the people who get in early with Instant Commissions 2026 are going to have the biggest advantage. So if you're ready to start collecting Instant Commissions 2026, I made it super simple for you. Click the link in the description right now and check out the system. Don't sleep on this. Instant Commissions 2026 is moving fast, and the earlier you join, the more you can benefit. Again, if you want fast instant commissions in 2026, the link is right there in the description and pinned comment. Click it and get started today. Imagine logging in every day, tapping once or twice, and seeing $200 payments hitting your account instantly. That's what Instant Commissions 2026 is giving people right now. One more time. If you're serious about making money with Instant Commissions 2026, click the link in the description right now and lock in your spot. This is one of those rare opportunities where everything is simple and the commissions are truly instant. So go ahead and click the link in the description or pinned comment. Check out the Instant Commissions 2026 system and start collecting your first payments today. If this video got you excited and you're ready to start earning instant commissions in 2026, drop A in the comments and let me know you're in. Thanks for watching. Click that link, take action on Instant Commissions 2026, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make 2026 your most profitable year yet.